Transforming your home into a sanctuary of cleanliness akin to a hotel room is not only possible, but can be achieved with minimal effort by following a simple yet effective strategy known as the 5-zone rule. Imagine stepping into a hotel room where the air is crisp, the bed is perfectly made, and every surface gleams with cleanliness. It's a delightful experience that many of us wish we could replicate in our own homes. However, the reality is often quite different. Our personal spaces can feel cluttered and less than pristine, which can be disheartening after a long day. The truth is, we don't have a dedicated team of cleaners at our disposal to maintain that immaculate hotel-like atmosphere. This is why our homes may not always reflect the same level of freshness and order. But here's the good news. Experts suggest that with just a few intentional changes to your cleaning routine, you can achieve that coveted hotel-style cleanliness in your own living space. According to The Express, the best part is that these changes are surprisingly easy to implement. Zara O'Hare from Land of Rugs emphasizes that you don't need a full cleaning crew to create a serene and organized environment. She states, you just need to adopt a few mindful habits that foster a sense of calm and order. One of the most effective methods she recommends is the 5-zone rule, which can make the task of cleaning feel much more manageable and prevent chores from piling up throughout the week. So, what exactly is the 5-zone rule? Instead of dedicating an entire day to the daunting task of cleaning, which can be exhausting and take away precious time from your loved ones, you can break your home down into 5 distinct zones: sleeping, bathing, dining, relaxing, and working. By focusing on one zone each weekday, you can maintain a sense of control over your cleaning without feeling overwhelmed. Zara explains, this hotel-style routine keeps everything under control without it feeling overwhelming. In addition to the 5-zone rule, another simple yet effective tip to enhance the cleanliness of your home is to incorporate specific fragrances. Hotels are known for their carefully curated scents that create a fresh and calming atmosphere, a detail that many guests appreciate. To replicate this at home, consider using reed diffusers, linen sprays, or essential oil blends featuring scents like eucalyptus, white tea, or bergamot. It's important to avoid synthetic or overly strong air fresheners. The goal is to create a subtle, inviting aroma. Furthermore, introducing white bedding into your bedroom can significantly contribute to that crisp, clean hotel feel. However, keeping your bedding looking pristine can be a challenge. Zara recommends washing your sheets in hot water weekly and adding baking soda or white vinegar to the wash for an extra boost of freshness. Opting for breathable, high thread count cotton will also enhance the luxurious feel. And don't forget to finish with a neat fold at the foot of the bed to achieve that polished, hotel-like tuck. So, are you ready to elevate your home's cleanliness to hotel standards? What are your thoughts on the 5-zone rule? Do you think it could work for you, or do you have your own cleaning strategies? Share your opinions in the comments below.